Now, mosquitoes may seem minuscule, but their bite can in fact be devastating. Just ask Brazilians. The South African nation is confronting a major health emergency due to the overpopulation of mosquitoes. And their answer to the crisis is releasing more mosquitoes. I know it sounds bizarre, but that is actually how they are waging war against the dengue fever that these mosquitoes are in fact spreading. Our next story explains.
Never underestimate the potency of a mosquito. Though tiny, these creatures wield immense power, whether through their buzzing presence or the diseases they carry, like the dreaded dengue fever virus. Currently, Brazil is grappling with a relentless onslaught of dengue-spreading mosquitoes, triggering a widespread outbreak in the region. Health emergencies have been declared in areas including Sao Paulo, experiencing an unprecedented surge in infections, with Brazil already reporting 4 times the number of dengue cases recorded in the previous year. However, amidst this crisis, an unexpected solution has emerged: mosquitoes themselves. A British biotechnology company has taken on the responsibility of liberating Brazilians from the scourge of dengue-spreading mosquitoes. Their strategy? Releasing genetically modified mosquitoes into the affected region to curb the spread of infection. These savior mosquitoes have been developed by a company called Oxitec. They are male mosquitoes carrying a lethal gene designed to target and eliminate female mosquitoes. This is because the sole transmitters of diseases are female mosquitoes. This innovative approach marks a crucial step in combating the dengue menace. However, the process of neutralizing female mosquitoes is intriguing. It involves placing eggs in water-filled boxes to trigger incubation. After approximately 10 days, the boxes are opened, from which the genetically modified mosquitoes emerged, who are primed to eliminate their female counterparts. The mayor of Sao Paulo's Suzano city remains optimistic about the efficacy of these mosquito boxes. Strategically placed in the areas most affected, these boxes have already yielded promising results, with a 90% reduction in mosquito populations observed in neighboring areas post-release.
With this, we have centralized production, so there's a reduction in the infrastructure needed, which reflects on the cost and also on the ease of logistics from a factory, so we can transport to all Brazilian states and even export as we're doing today.
The exacerbation of the dengue fever outbreak by the hot rainy season has heightened the urgency of the situation.
Year after year in this period, February to March, we have a mosquito boom because the rain comes again. The heat rises and the eggs that were dormant since last year, they hatch and become adult mosquitoes. So we use the biology of the species itself in our favor.
With over 973,000 cases reported so far and a rising death toll, Brazil is in dire need of innovative solutions like this mosquito intervention to combat the public health crisis. In addition to the direct impact on health, the dengue outbreak has also posed significant economic challenges. The cost of treating dengue patients, the loss of productivity due to illness, and the strain on healthcare resources are just some of the economic burdens faced by Brazil.
From impeachments to inaugurations, if it's a political story, we are on the scene. The race for the White House is heating up.
We're beating Biden.
How dare he say that?
If it's breaking news, we're live with the latest coverage. From the White House, the State Department, and Capitol Hill, we know the issues, but above all, we know the players to bring you the latest in-depth analysis on all the key stories that we're covering. I'm Eric Ham. Join me from Washington here on Firstpost America.